What's up, beautiful people? Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be making my hair for the first time in over a year. Don't ask me much questions. I'm going to explain later. Okay, so the first extension I'm going to be using is Kinky Expression, and this expression comes in two bundles. That's bundle one and this bundle two. And the second extension I'm going to be using is Darling Kinky. And this one does not have separate bundles. It's just one whole bundle. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Alright, so this is my hair freshly washed. So here is my first mistake. So I finished washing my hair and I was supposed to moisturize my hair, detangle moisturize before starting this hair, but I didn't do that. So that's my first mistake. You guys, please, I always used to preach to moisturize your hair before starting anything. I don't know why I didn't do that. I felt my hair was soft enough, but I was clearly wrong. I mean, you can see how I was struggling. Hey, God help me. You can see how I was struggling to part my hair. It wasn't going as breezy as it should. And this process can even cut your hair, you know. That's why it's good to detangle your hair prior to starting your hair. It's very, very, very important. Okay, guys, so this video is filled with errors and hiccups and trials because, like I said, it's been 1 year since I last, put any form of extension on my hair. Yeah, I was already tired even before I started, guys. To making this hair was not easy. Like, it was not easy. Do you know that I forgot how to make my own hair? Funny but not funny. I totally forgot how to make my own hair. Not how to make my own hair, but how to add extension to my hair, because I don't know. You know how they say when you leave something, it will leave you. Like, when you leave something just for once, it will leave you for a long time. So because it's been long, I added extension to my hair. Now it's been a year plus, I think. So now I was struggling to just fix extension on my hair. I was clearly shocked with this new improvement, or whatever I would call it. Okay, so I decided to show the back side, to show you guys the process of me making the back side. And I sincerely want to apologize for my camera. The changes in light, or light changes, or composition, whatever they call it. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was switching between my iPhone and my Android, and both phones are just anyway, it's manageable. Some days I get a good view, some days it doesn't just come out, and some days I don't get to post what I film because I feel like the light is not good. But today I feel like it's manageable, and so I'm posting. So you guys, I'm so sorry for the light changes, okay? So I was through with the back, and this is the front side. So quickly, this is what my back side is looking like. Or was looking like, because this has been like a week plus. So yeah, I thought I'll quickly finish the front side. On a normal, I wanted this hair to be like 3 hours maximum, because it is medium. It's not tiny. It's medium. The size is just normal, right? But guess how long this style took me? At the end of the day, my children still came back from school and still met me doing this hair. But guess what? I ignored them. Like, I wanted to finish and stand up, because I wasn't going to leave this hair till night or whatever, especially now that my ring light has spoiled. So I had to finish before the weather will even get darker. So yeah, that is why there is a lot of fluctuation in the lights, or light composition, or whatever they call it. Anyway, this is what it takes for me to part my hair. This is how the amount of work that I put in parting my hair, and at the end of the day, I won't still get that clean, perfect parting, you guys. I mean, it's frustrating sometimes, but anyway, what do? One thing I've realized is that the more you practice, the more you will get used to it. So I finished the first bundle at the back. Now this is the second bundle, and I'm using it. This is what it looks like. This is how I use it. I cut it in half, and then I pick one. And then, guys, let me quickly talk about this the way these people coil the ends of this head. Like, this is why I love expression kinky. So that particular one, I'm going to cut it into 3 this size. I'm going to cut it into 3, and when I cut it into 3, I will get like a little piece remaining that I will add to the next one, right? Carry over to the next one. So, guys, watch me. Watch the drama. The drama is so real. Like, I don't know, this one there was not even much drama. But anyway, keep watching. You're going to see. Don't laugh alone. Laugh with your friends. You're going to see all the drama. Me struggling so badly to, attach extension to my hair. I mean, I know that I'm not perfect in braiding. I'm still learning, obviously, but I wasn't this bad before. Okay, let me talk about the reason why I stopped using extension for a whole year. When you go to YouTube and search how to grow your hair, you're going to see so many things, so many different ways, and so many people telling you so many things that they've tried, that have worked out for them. So one of the things that I saw that looked easy was this lady that said that she never used extension on her hair, and that is making her hair grow so well. And I was like, okay, let me try it out for 1 year. I mean, how bad will it be? So guys, for 1 year I didn't use any form of extension on my hair at all. I wanted to see what will happen, and oh boy, did my hair grow? Nah, I didn't see any giant difference. I was expecting the hair to grow a table length. Don't mind me. But anyway, I was actually expecting to see something, a difference, like a massive, huge difference. But nah, I didn't see nothing. I mean, the growth was just there, slow but steady, just there. And so, yeah, I said, what the heck? Not that my front line was even behaving, not that the growth was even massive, and yet I wasn't able to rock the hairstyles. I was just taking to twist and braid. I'm like, man, I beg, let's switch it up. Yeah, that's the English, because I'm not seeing any difference and it's not worth it. Okay, that's why I decided that no, I'm going to start making my hair again. And did you see that because I stopped using extension for a whole year? Did you see how I was struggling to even get back to the routine again? I mean, I've done my hair in the past, even as a newbie. I can't remember having this kind of challenge. I tried a different gripping method for just one hair, and man. So there were so many other challenges that I could try, but because I struggle a lot with being consistent, that's why I chose this particular one. I mean, all I have to do is just to not put extension on my hair, and that's all the challenge is all about. Don't add any artificial extension. Just make your hair your own natural hair for a whole year. Why taking care of it? Obviously, why taking care of it? Why doing the other ones, like washing your hair like you should, maintaining a good routine and regimen? So yeah, it was just that easy. That's why I decided to try the challenge, and I didn't see any difference. Honestly, I wish that I didn't do that. I wish that I didn't embark on that a whole year. I wish that I had even maybe set my mind on maybe 4 months, 6 months, really, because right now I feel like it's not worth it. I mean, it's not worth it. Look at the struggle that I'm struggling. I can't even part my hair correctly. I was getting away with not parting my hair clean enough because I was making my own natural hair. Especially when I do mini twist, it's going to just cover. You will not see the lines. The lines will not just be that obvious. But when it comes to adding extension, when it comes to making any serious hair, you have to be, how do I put it now, try to perfect your patterns to at least make it look clean enough. So this one I was just doing what I don't know, but at the end of the day, it's just my hair, and the fact that I made it myself, I think it should count. Like I always say, I don't like to put too much pressure on myself, especially when I'm making my hair by myself. I mean, I did it myself. I could have gone to the salon, spend the money, cry when they are dragging my hair anyhow, complain a lot and all of that, but I did it myself. So yeah, I should just keep practicing. Yeah, practice with consistency. When you keep practicing, you're really going to get good at it. So that's what I intend doing, and this time I'm praying for God to help me, because guys, it's not easy. So this is how my edges are looking like, the both sides. You can imagine how my edges was just bad. Anyway, I'm trying to grow it back now. The first and the second time I had edges like that, I almost cried. The first and the second time I almost bobbed off my hair, but this time around I wasn't afraid, because I've treated it before and I've overcome that challenge a couple of times, and so now I am certain that I could also come out of it if I'm consistent enough. So what I only pray now is for God to help me, guys. I don't know, I struggle a lot with being consistent. It's a disease for me now, because I'm trying so much to change and it's not working. I mean, consistency is good in every aspect of our life. If you've never had that as a challenge, I envy you, because yeah, that is the story of my life. So I ended up removing about 2 strands from that Darling KK, and that's all I used from that pack, just 2 strands from there, and it was enough to complete my hair. The expression would have finished the hair if not that I've removed 1 strand from that extension before. And look at that, I am done. The excitement, oh my god. I don't know if it's just me. I feel this joy, like this happiness, whenever I make my hair by myself. I feel this satisfaction, this how do I put it, like I'm so proud in myself, my capability. Yeah, don't judge me, even though the hair is not clean. Like I said earlier, I did it myself, you guys. I did it myself. So yeah, I did that. It makes me happy all the time. Like anytime that I sit down and complete a full head of hair, my own hair. I'm not even talking about my children, I'm talking about myself. Do you know that I don't feel confident making somebody's hair, because I feel like I don't know how to make hair. I can only make my children's hair and my hair, because I can do it anyhow that I want. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next one. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and on that note, I'll see you in my next one. Ciao ciao.